Hi guys, welcome. This is the first time that I'm doing Facebook Live in 2018, and also first time that I'm doing it from my laptop. So let me know if you guys can see me and hear me, and I will see if I will check if I actually see your comments and everything, because this is my first time that I do this on my laptop. So how are you guys all doing? Where you guys are coming from? Go ahead and comment if you guys can actually see me and hear me as well. I just want to make sure it all works good. Awesome, Lawrence. Thank you. Hey, Terry. Hey, Tom, Clint, Alex. Nice to see all of you guys here. How's your 2018 going so far? Are you guys enjoying it? You guys being productive? So today I actually wanted to talk to you guys about how to crush it in 2018, how to be productive, how to achieve your goals, achieve your dreams, and whatever it is that you have planned for this year, how to be able to achieve it. So I can see your guys' comments, so it's all good, obvious. Awesome. So the first thing that I will talk about is plan of action. Let me see here. Okay, plan of action. So first of all, you need to have a plan of action. Not only that you have to have goals and things that you want to accomplish this year, but also you have to have a plan of action that will actually get you to where, get you to achieve those goals that you want to achieve. So, hey Danielle, hey Bruce, Luna, nice to see you guys all here. I know I've been pretty busy and haven't been doing these Facebook Lives lately because, I've been just trying to provide a lot of value on my YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and go to katie-lendel.com. I will actually put the link below in the comments whenever I'm done with this live. So go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm more active there now this year, and I'm putting out a lot of content there and a lot of trainings for you guys. Hey Luna, thanks. So go ahead and subscribe there if you're not subscribed yet. That's katie-lendel.com, and you'll end up, when you go there, you'll end up on my YouTube channel. So so create a plan of action, like sit down and actually map out or write down or put it into your laptop or however it works best for you, a plan of action, what exactly you're going to be doing and focusing on every single day in order to achieve that goal that you want to achieve. So you have to have, in order to achieve anything, you have to do something every single day consistently to get there where you want to go. So no matter what it is you want to achieve, you have to do something every single day to get there. So create that plan of action in order to achieve that goal, to get there. And then another one that I wanted to share with you is focus. Don't just kind of, how they say, put your blinders on. Focus. Just, simply focus on your goals, on whatever you need to do every single day to get to where you want to go. I know there could be a lot of distractions in your life. There could be, a lot of distraction just in your personal life, in your family life, and anything at work, in business and just around you. There's always so many distractions around us, but just choose to focus and choose to not pay attention to those things that will not help you achieve your goals, and focus on the things that you need to do daily to achieve that goal of yours. And the big one that I always talk to you guys about is consistency. If you have been focused for some time and then this one day comes and you just don't have any time to work on your business, to work on your goals, to, you know, do that and those actions that you have planned, just don't feel bad about it that you haven't done something that day, and just, you know, start over the next day, you know, start doing the things, start focusing on it again, and just don't feel bad about it that like yesterday you weren't able to take that those action steps in order to get to your end destination. So consistency, just, you know, be consistent. Try to do something, even just maybe something little, something small every single day to get to your goal. Hey, Ed, actually two Eds, Ed Parker and Ed Vizinar. Hey, Garav, Nirmala, Carolina. Nice to see you guys all here again. I know I've been absent for some time, you know, from Facebook Lives here, but just because I've been pretty busy with my YouTube channel, creating content for you guys and stuff like that. So if you're not subscribed there yet, go ahead and subscribe on my YouTube channel, katie-lendel.com, and turn on that bell notification to get you know, updates or notified when my new video goes live on YouTube. So you usually get emails, you know, if you have turned on that emails, and also you can set up that you can get a notification on your phone. Yeah, I will drop the channel link in the comment section as soon as I'm done here. So those are the three things I wanted to talk to you guys about. Just, you know, focus and create a plan of action, exactly what you're going to do every single day. You know, what's your goal for the day is going to be, and what's your focus for the day is going to be. You know, write down your goals and obviously the plan of action, and stay focused and stay consistent in order to get to, you know, where you want to go. Because we do get a lot of distractions, and we just have to stay focused on whatever we need to stay focused on, you know, on our goals, our dreams, because it does matter, you know, whatever we want in life, it does matter. There are a lot of distractions, a lot of little things that will not matter in like 5 years, 10 years, you know, 15 years, but the thing that we want to achieve in life, it will matter. So make sure you have that plan of action and have those goals written down, and just focus on it. Hey, Victoria, nice to see you here. Haven't seen you in a while. We should probably get together sometime. Mallory, Terry, Barbie, hey everyone. If you have just jumped on here, go ahead. Yeah, thank you, Terry, for putting the link. Terry just posted the link to my YouTube channel. So if you have not, you know, subscribed, feel free to subscribe, because I'm more active there, putting out content and things like that. Trainings, you know, internet marketing trainings, affiliate marketing trainings. I'm putting it all on my YouTube channel. So if you've just jumped on, go ahead and watch the replay if you like. And thank you for jumping on here, guys. I appreciate all of you, all your time. And I want to wish you the best this year. You know, have a blessed year of abundance, and just go out there and take massive action to achieve whatever you want to achieve in life. And stay blessed, you know, and have fun. Don't forget to have fun. All right. Well, God bless. Bye-bye, guys.